Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Manat and I do makeup, skincare and self-care videos on Instagram and YouTube. This video I am going to share you all my favorite brands, favorite products of 2024 as 2024 has come to an end. So everything is being shown in this video, so do watch this video. Let's get started. So I'm going to be talking about skincare. The two serums with me right now. This is from Dot and Key and this is from Dr. Sheth because this is absolute favorite. I use this every single day and it's almost finished. Much is left in this bottle. I'm going to repurchase this obviously because this is totally amazing product. This is their vitamin C face serum and look at the packaging guys, it's so cute. Dot and Key is literally my favorite brand for now because I'm using the product since a year and see, it's just like a water, but it does the job so well. Favorite product because it changed my routine completely. Love this. So next I have is this one from Dr. Shades. It's again their vitamin serum every single day in my night, and I'm seeing the visible difference. I keep changing my skincare products because every time I get a new product, I start using them every day for weeks or 2 weeks. Then I see what difference it's giving me. If I like it, then I continue the product. Otherwise, I to another product. So yes, this is my current serum. I'm using it in my night. It brightens up your skin. Skin becomes much better, and I use it even in my under eyes, like little drop on my under eyes every night, and on my face, around my mouth. My around my mouth is like too much of pigmentation that I am using so many products, but it doesn't change. Like it still have that pigmentation. So yes, completely yes. This product has completely changed my skin. Next up I have is a moisturizer. My skin is completely dry, but this product is a game changer for my skin. I'm applying it all winter season. I've applied this product. Peeling of my skin has literally gone. This you've seen many makeup artists talking about this product. Like for the dry skin people, they basically use this product on their skin so that they have little bit hydrating skin on your face before applying makeup. Otherwise, the makeup starts tearing. Just amazing. If you have completely dry, only then use this product. It's not for oily people. It will make your skin more oilier than before. Since I'm using this again, repurchasing whenever this gets over. Half of this product I've already used, and I'm going to continue with this product every single day. Follow my skincare every day. Next product I am showing is must for every single day. Even if it's winter, it's summers. Summers it's must. Winters also you need to use this product. And going outdoors or even if you're staying indoors, this product is like must. I know you might have guessed the product. It's sunscreen. Sunscreen is must for every single day. I have two of my favorite sunscreens in my hand, which is one is from Cossack and this is their serum sunscreen which is SPF 50. If you are having a dry skin, use serum based or water based sunscreen. Doesn't leave a white cast on your skin. Two fingers sunscreen is must from Dot and Key. This is their blueberry hydrate. I love blueberries, but these two are like my current favorite. Skin. If you have oily skin, do take matte sunscreen. Another product like moisturizers, which is from Dot and Key. This is again the blueberry version of them. Barrier repair moisturizer. Have a fragrance. If you have a fragrance problem, then this is the must because it doesn't very mild. Like I have a very sensitive and a dry skin. Fragrance will give me a headache, so it absorbs quickly. Next I have is these two lip balms from Dot and Key. This is the strawberry lip balm and this is their cocoa lip balm. So both are SPF 50. So in a lip balm, nowadays they've launched SPF 50, SPF 50, which is, yes, it's a really good thing in lip balm having an SPF 50 or SPF 30. Anything is there you need to try because You apply sunscreen on your face and not your lips. So your lips starts becoming darker due to the exposure of the sunlight. The pigmentation will be gone. These lips are my favorite. It tastes like chocolate, which feels like eating my lips off. I apply lip balm every single day. In the night, I apply the normal lip balm, but in the day, I apply the SPF lip balm because I have so dark lips, and slowly the pigmentation is going. Since this year I've started doing my skincare. Before that, my skincare routine is first wake up, wash your face, use an ice facial, giving a change. All my puffiness is going. Skincare product I have with me here is from an Ayurvedic brand, which is the tea tree facial oil plus hair oil. It has tea tree ingredients in it. The smell of it is so amazing, so soothing. And Veda Harvest, it's a new skincare brand. I've started using this like in my night routine, like every alternative day. I use this on my face and my hair. See, it doesn't even feel like you've applied an oil. It doesn't feel because it has tea tree ingredients in it. Tea tree is the best ingredient used in skincare or hair care. Yes, this is again a must buy product. Next, I am going to start with my makeup favorite. So first we start up with the foundation. So these are my two favorite foundations of 2024. This is a high coverage foundation and this is a low, like a medium coverage foundation. This one is from Mars. I am so obsessed with this product. I've spoken about it in my videos, my shorts, my I had applied this on my brother's wedding and everyone commented on my makeup, and this is so under a budget. It just retails for like 350 rupees. I feel it doesn't irritate your skin, it doesn't tear, it it gives your skin like a flawless makeup. Doesn't oxidize. It like one shade it might oxidize after a 3-4 hours, and it has so many other shades for every skin out there for the Indian people. Yes, this is a must. And I use in the shade 06. This is also my favorite product from 2024. This one is from Swiss Beauty. They've launched the Swiss Beauty Select, Swiss Beauty, and Swiss Beauty Craze. So it's this Swiss Beauty Select HD Serum Foundation. And it is a game changer because this is a serum foundation. In winters, you need a serum foundation for your skin because to have if you have a dry skin and all, then you will start tearing makeup, whichever makeup you apply. But serum foundations are best. Serum foundations, skin tints, like are the best. Also, I will be using in my 2025. It's so luxurious. It doesn't look like it's a Swiss Beauty's foundation. I use the shade 04 Almond Glow. This is like one shade lighter because I purchased it online. But yeah, if you go off store and purchase it, then I feel like you can take the exact shade. My favorite product in a makeup. I use this every single day, and it comes under a makeup. Guess what? It's a new favorite products of all the girls out there. Blush. The current favorite of all the girls out there recently. See, I've applied a blush, but it doesn't look like a blush. Peach color blushes. If you have a light skin tone or if you have a medium skin tone. Swiss Beauty Select. Again, the high on blush. It is so soft. See, I use this blush from Color Bar, but it comes under a pink. So this comes under a pink, but it does. This is also my favorite product of 2024. Product I use, if this one is from Mars Cover Palette. All the shades of concealers and all the I've spoken about this in my last video also. Two lipsticks. I'm so obsessed. I don't use any other lipsticks than this every single day, which is from Mila Beauty. New to me, so good. It's long lasting. This is under a budget. It retails for like 249 rupees. I'm going to use this even in my 2025 current obsessions of 2024. So next up I have here this eyeshadow palette which I'm currently obsessed. It has all the shades required. Swiss Beauty Select has been current obsession for me for the 2024 because I love their products because it's affordable. All the shades are here in this. It has pinks, it has browns, it has shimmer. Definitely in my bag every time I'm traveling. The makeup brushes is again a must because without makeup brushes you can't do anything, any makeup or anything like that. I have these makeup brushes from, I don't know how to pronounce the brand name. If I'm pronouncing wrong, please correct me in the comments. Mangay. Purchased this from like Amazon. This is so soft. It has all the brushes in it. It has like 16 set of brush details for like 1200 or something. As a new beginner, if you want to invest in like such good product, then this is a must buy for you people. You know, it feels so soft on your skin. This is a must buy in 2025 for you people because I have already purchased in 2020. Comes to hair care, I have all these products with me. So this hair gummies, I have a lot of hair for these days because of my dry hair and not and my oily scalp. Every third day I'm shampooing my hair. This is my hair care routine. This is so cute and so amazing because it comes in chocolate form. Every day after a meal have a just one of this and that's it. Wait for like 1 month, like eat it every single day for a month and you will definitely see the difference. It comes like something like this. See how cute, and it doesn't taste like a medicine at all. This is the one secret of my hair care. So I use it every single day like this and have it from the body wise. It's the hair growth roll on. I've started using this. See, I have like I used to have like so much of gap here, like all the hairs were gone. Now it's started growing a bit. So I'm using this since a month only, but just apply here and wherever you feel that you need a growth and it's not growing out there, so just apply like this. And again, I've spoken about this in my last videos, and this is the Biolance hair smoothing serum. Like after taking, I use the serum on my hair for having the frizz-free hair. Like yes, these four products are must in 2025 for you people if you want to achieve a good hair. But patch test before you use it. I shampoo from Sanfe. It is so good. Like I'm so lazy to wash my hair like every 3 days or every 2 days. This like and just comb my hair and it is like a fresh washed hair. Body care products like I have this two body lotions with me, current favorite of 2024. This is from Mama Earth and it's their Upton body lotion and that's so good, does the job, everything. So yes, this is my favorite of 2024 and I'm going to continue with this in my 2025. Body lotions every day is needed, is must. And even if it's summer or winter, people think only in winter we need body lotion, summers why to apply and all. No guys, body lotions should be applied every single day. 365 days you need to apply a body lotion. Body wise, 10% magnesium lotion. Lotion is really good. It relaxes your muscle, it relaxes your body, and yes, Body Wise is a good brand again because their products are like so good in an affordable range again. Four perfumes of my 2024. So first one is from this Zara. Next up I have this Plums Body Loving Body Mist. This is the body mist, not a perfume. So yes, I apply this every single day and you can see how much I have finished. So next up I have is this Cosrx perfume, which short has gone like most viewed on my YouTube channel. Next up is Victoria's Secret's perfume. The end of the video, I completed all the things I think I need to share it with you guys. So yes, thank you guys for watching my video. Please do subscribe on my channel.